What's up? Today we're going to be smashing my brother's old alarm clock because my dad just bought him a new one today. Or was it yesterday?
Yesterday.
I don't care. It was yesterday. So we're going to be smashing it. Here's the hammer that he's going to be using. He said I could smash it once, so I'm going to try and smash it with this hammer. So I'm really excited to do this. Okay, so we're going to pass the phone over to my little sis. Just be careful, okay?
Hold it. Make sure you get all the action.
Yeah, all the action.
I get the first swing. You ready?
Yeah, I'm a little scared. You got it on?
Mm-hmm.
Step back a little and zoom in.
Oh, you're going to want to scoot back.
Yeah, you're gonna get so scared.
Zoom in.
I can't. There.
All right.
I'm gonna
Ready?
scoot back a little more.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's a cracker vanilla.
Yikes.
It needs to be longer. Look at that.
Look at that.
First hit, it's all smashed, and I smashed it completely
Holy
open.
moly, you broke so many wires.
No, the wires aren't broken. It just snapped in half.
Okay, can I do another?
Look at the
Can I
circuit
hit the
board
second
in
time?
this. That's pretty
Holy
sweet.
moly. Can I do it the second time?
I'm gonna see if I can put it back together. There you go.
Can I do it?
Yep. All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Hit it.
Ooh.
Okay.
You knocked off those.
Can I try doing this part?
No.
I'm doing that part. You said one. You said one.
Hi,
Right.
Hi. Hi, my little sister. Okay, watch the action.
Dude,
This is not a video about my sister
I'm
throwing
gonna crack the
window.
glass. Ooh, that did. Ooh,
Ah!
then.
Ah!
Ooh, the grass is cracked. Oh, hello.
Heyo.
Now let me move this back a little bit, and I'll see if I can smash this.
Oh gosh, I'm scared.
It's kind of stuck.
Are you even staring at that with the camera? You need to get this camera.
Come on.
Sorry if there's bad viewing because first of all, she's not that good of a camera person, and second of all, it's really sunny out
Hey,
here.
it needs to crack. It won't crack. You're not hitting it anymore.
What?
Oh, that hurt.
That's crazy.
Now it's cracked. All right, now I don't have to hit that anymore.
Wait.
My neighbors are out here. I want to try and hit this. You know, look, it's all completely broken now.
Okay, here I can video it now.
Okay, I'll hold this.
Sorry.
I want to hit this part. See what happens. Oh!
What
This
did
is
you
freaking
do?
solid.
Hold on for that. Moly. Ellie's back.
There you go. Now it's cracked.
Holy moly, he cracked it. Show the camera. Show the camera. This is amazing.
This is this thing.
Got a circuit. Oh, wait, no, it's not in focus.
Circuit board.
Circuit board. Ah!
Same. All right.
Dang,
Now it's
boy.
time to get-
Hi, Mom.
We've got more.
Fun part.
Fun part. This is what this is.
Everybody back. Ah! Glass coming.
Yeah, I know.
Be careful. Gosh, it is so hot out here. I'm standing back farther.
Whoa,
Dude! Breaking there's a piece of glass that touched gallery. No, almost. There's some glass over. Can you see
It's
that?
not finished yet. This thing's still gonna get smashed.
Can I try smashing this?
Sure, do smash that. All right.
Harder!
All right, let's get more of this.
Ah!
There!
Oh my gosh, I want to see these smashes.
Ow!
Show the viewers. Show all the viewers.
You know
AKA
what's-
Alex Moon Girl. The Alex girl.
Ow.
She's a good viewer.
Ow!
Shout out to Alex.
Okay, there we go. Ah, that freaking sharp. Okay, I'll just.
Okay, do you want to end that now?
No, I just smashed this part too.
Oh, yikes.
I missed. Ow! Ow!
My ears!
I know, that's what's hurting. My finger's bleeding. We're not done. We're not friggin'. Ah! Going down, sucker! Ah!
It doesn't want to die.
No, it is. It's dead. I just want to kill it for sure. Come on. Crack in half. That's all my hopes and dreams are. Maybe if I do like this, I think that'll work better.
Wait, we should have videoed when you cracked your retainer open. I'm going to do that for my vlog. So stay tuned when I get my braces off in when I get braces, and then yeah, I know when I get my braces, and then after I finish getting my braces, and then just
All right, let's smash this more. Come on, it needs to crack in half. That's my whole. Crack.
all right.
Bang. Crack.
I can't get this.
My voice is cracked. That's what I mean. Ow, my leg.
Are you
What
okay?
are you doing? Yeah, fine. Ow, my finger. He keeps hitting me.
Look at his face.
Ow, my finger.
Can I take a swing at it?
Ow, no, don't take a swing at that. Look at my fingers now.
I wanna
There's like
show the
scrapes everywhere.
Give me your fingers.
There's like scrapes everywhere.
Oh gosh, let me get this.
Ow.
Look at this damage. It's crazy.
I want to smash the glass again.
Yes. Okay, at least get back.
I might start bleeding today. I want to hit this a few more times. Right on that.
Hi, Bruno. Hey guys, thank you for joining us in this video. Let's go.
I hope you all enjoyed me smashing my freaking clock.
Please like and subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Bye.